Good morning to all. I am Dr. R. Periyasamy, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Government College of Engineering, Bodinayakanur. Today we are going to discuss about solar cell. Solar cell is a device which converts the solar energy obtained from the sun directly into electrical energy. Solar cell is based on the principles of photovoltaic effect. The generation of voltage across the p-n junction in a semiconductor due to the absorption of light radiation is called photovoltaic effect. The device based on this effect is called photovoltaic device. So, solar cell follows the principle of photovoltaic effect. It is also called as photovoltaic device. In the last few years, the contribution of solar energy to the world has grown significantly. In this video, we will discuss how solar cell or photovoltaic cell produce electricity. Energy from the sun is the most abundant and available free energy. To utilize this energy, we need most abundant element on the earth, sand. The sand is converted into 99.99% pure silicon crystals. To achieve this, the sand is undergone into a complex purification process. That is, the raw silicon is converted into gaseous silicon compound and mixed with hydrogen and converted into highly purified polycrystalline silicon. This polycrystalline silicon are converted into very thin plate called silicon wafers. So first, the silicons are converted into silicon wafers. When we see the structure of silicon, silicons are having 4 valence electrons. So each electron of silicon atom is bonded with another electron of another silicon atom. So the 4 electrons of each silicon are bonded with another electrons. So the movement of electrons are blocked. When, let us assume, a phosphorus atom is injected into the silicon atom. That is, when silicon is doped with phosphorus. Here, phosphorus is having valence electron 5. Silicon is having valence electron 4. So, here there is an extra electrons in phosphorus. This extra electron is moving here and there. This doping is called N-type doping. So, N-type doping is having 1 extra electron. Like this, when boron atom is doped with silicon, here boron atom is having 3 electrons, which is 1 electron lesser than silicon. So here a hole is formed for each atom. This type of doping is called p-type doping. So n-type doping is having one extra electron, and p-type doping have one extra hole. When these doped materials are connected together, that is p-type doped material and n-type doped material connected together, the extra electron from the n side is moving towards p side, and it occupies and it fills the holes in the p side. So all the electron from n side, extra electron from the n side are moving towards p side, and it fill the hole. So here there will be no free electrons and holes. Hence a depletion region is formed. When sunlight falls on this depletion region, the photon energy generate a number of electron and hole pair in the depletion region. So in the depletion region, number of electron and hole pair are generated by absorbing the photon energy from sunlight. Hence here there is an electric field is generated. This generated electric field drives the electrons and holes out of the depletion region. That is, the electrons move towards n-type and holes are moving towards p-type. Hence, the concentration of electrons are more in n-type, n side, and the concentration of holes are more in p side. So there will be a potential difference is generated between the region. So when we connect a load between this region, the electrons from the n side is passing through the load, and it will fill the hole in the p side. That is, the electron, that is the movement of electron from n side through the load, and it ends with the filling of holes. Like this, the solar cell continuously producing direct current. So solar energy is applied in various fields nowadays. It is used in boilers to produce hot water for domestic and industrial usage. It can drive vehicles. It is used in satellite and spacecraft. These are all the advantages of the solar cells. But the main disadvantage of the solar cell is investment cost is very high. Thank you.